Hey friends, so now today I am going to start a series about DaVinci Resolve. So this is an incredible and professional, software for editing, color effects and audio post. This is also the world's only solution that combines, editing, color correction, motion graphics, visual effects and audio post production all in one software tool. So this is the best software according to me. So after learning this, you can do a lot of things. So this video is about the downloading process and installation process. So how you can download DaVinci Resolve 19 free this year in 2025. So this is the easy step-by-step downloading and installation process I'm going to show you. So you can open your browser and here you can type DaVinci Resolve and here you can see DaVinci Resolve 20. So you can open this. So as I told you that we will install DaVinci Resolve 19. So you will ask me why we will install 19 while we have DaVinci Resolve 20. So you can see this DaVinci Resolve like free download now or DaVinci Resolve Studio like you can buy it for $295. But as I told you, we will download for free. So we can click here free download now and see here DaVinci Resolve 20. This is public beta or beta you can pronounce. So beta, like whenever a software they announce or they introduce their beta version of the software, like when they upgrade, because they upgraded from 19 to 20. So this is in the beta version. So still like experts are trying to use this software and trying to check maybe there are bugs or not. So once they verified everything, then it will be DaVinci Resolve 20. Then beta will be definitely subtract and then will be the name of the software like DaVinci Resolve 20. So this is in the beta process. Therefore, we can use this one DaVinci Resolve 19. So this is the free. This is Studio and Studio, like you can see these paid. So this is 20 beta and 19 you can see. So this is the Hollywood's most popular solution for editing, visual effects, motion graphics, color correction and audio post-production for Mac, Windows and Linux. So maybe whatever operating system you are using, you can download it. So if you are a Mac user, nothing to worry, you can download. If you are a Windows or Linux user, nothing to worry, you can also download. So here you can see now also supports Blackmagic Cloud for collaboration. So we will download, definitely I am a Windows user, so I will click on Windows. And now here we need to put the details, like I will put the detail and click on register and download. So as you can see, I have put my details, so I will click on register and download and you can see it has been started. See DaVinci Resolve Windows.zip, like 19.1.4 the version, it has been started. So the zip file size is too much big, like 2.3 GB, so we need to wait a lot of minutes and it depends on the downloading speed of your internet. So for me it will take few times, so I will pause the video and once the downloading complete, I will resume the video and will show you the installation process. Till yet I have explained that you can go to DaVinci Resolve, like DaVinci Resolve, you write here and you go to this website blackmagicdesign.com/product/DaVinci Resolve, and from here you click on free download now and then you click on Windows and then you put the information and then the downloading will start. So this is the downloading process, and once the download will complete, I will resume the video and will show you the installation process. So stay with me. So you can see the downloading has been done. So we will go to the downloads folder and we will right click and extract files. make sure you will extract files, not extract here. Otherwise all files, this is the extract process. While only this folder has one file, so you can use extract files or extract here. So this one, now this is the set of files. So we will start, this is the installer file, DaVinci Resolve installer. So just double click, and now the installation process will be start. So you can see it's extracting, and this is the simple installation process. Once the installation will complete, then you will need to restart your device. So it's asking like, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, DaVinci Resolve, yes or no? So you'll need to click yes. Maybe this is not appearing in the screen recording. If appearing, it's okay. Otherwise, you will see this in your computer during the installation process. Next, you can select DaVinci Resolve 19, and it's all by default it's selected. Just click on install, and next, and you will have to accept the license agreement, and then next, and install, and it's validating installation process. And once you will install, when you will install first time, so it will also ask you like the component selection, maybe 4 to 5, so you can select. By default they will be select all of them, so you can select all of them. So complete the DaVinci Resolve setup wizard. So finish, installation complete. So I'm telling you this is because I'm installing, I had it actually the software, so I just uninstalled it to show you, therefore I reinstalled. So maybe once you will install it first time, so it will ask you to select the components, so you can select. And see the installation done. So if we see, it is here DaVinci Resolve. So it will also ask you to when you will install, so it will also ask you to restart your device. So definitely you will restart. So you can see it is opening DaVinci Resolve 19. It looks amazing. You can see the image and the software is opening. And it has been opened, and it has been downloaded and installed perfectly and without any error. So you will follow these steps and will install the software. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends so they can also learn DaVinci Resolve and they can increase their editing and designing skills. So also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos, and make sure that I will upload more videos in this series with the passage of time, maybe like 2 videos at least daily for this DaVinci Resolve. Now one video I have uploaded, and one more today I will upload later. I will also upload along with other videos like about the AI tools and other videos, that educational tutorial I usually upload. But I will try my best to upload every day at least 2 videos about DaVinci Resolve, so you can learn it from scratch to the advanced level, and you can increase your editing skills, and you will definitely able to do your work like as a freelancer, or you can also do your job. So thank you so much once again, and see you in the next video.